Good morning, students. This is your English teacher Manoj Kumar Verma. Today I am going to make you understand interrogative sentence. In the first video, I discussed with you the concept of indirect speech and assertive sentence. So let's see interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a questions. In indirect speech, there are the two type of interrogative sentence. First is beginning with auxiliary, the second is beginning with WH questions. Take an example. Can you help Rahul in need? So, second is why are you late today? In the first sentence, can is starting with auxiliary, that is model auxiliary, and second is starting with why, that is question, WH questions. So let's see how to change interrogative into assertive. So the formula is very important. So auxiliary, subject, main verb and object. So and then it is interrogative question mark. So it is changed like subject, auxiliary, main verb and object. After that, when it is changed into assertive, the interrogative question change into full stop. Take an example. Is Anup watching a movie? It is changed like this. Anup is watching a movie. Full stop. Okay. Besides, I want to just focus your glance in some certain rules, certain points also. So if the sentence starts with do, does and did, these three things are omitted in the sentence and the structure will be like this. So do you play cricket? It changed into you play cricket. According to tense it is changed. Does she invite her friends? She invites her friend. Okay. Did they solve my problem? They solved my problem. Okay, this is changed like this. But in negative sentence, do, does and did are not omitted. It is used in a sentence like this. Do you not know Mr. Gupta? You do not know Mr. Gupta. Does she not play chess? She does not play chess. Did they not invite him? They did not invite him. Okay, but let's see the first rules of interrogative sentence beginning with auxiliary. Take an example. He said to me, can you help me in need? Some certain rules are there for changing this sentence. If it is said or said to, it is changed into asked, inquired of, investigated, wanted to, and many more also. And in inverted comma and comma, you can apply to join this sentence if or whether. Besides, some rules are also used. Step number 1, change the reported speech into assertive sentence that I told you just before. Second step, change the persons according to reporting verb. Third step, change the tense according to reporting verb and change the parts of speech, okay, according to rules. Then you will find that how to change the sentence. Let's see. He asked me, here it is said change into asked, if I would help him in need. Okay, this is how we change from the direct to indirect in interrogative sentence. The second rule is very important, that is beginning with auxiliary, or interrogative adverb. Take an example. She said to me, why are you late today? Here said or said to change into asked, inquired of, wanted to know and many. But here it is different. In inverted comma and comma, open inverted comma and comma, we will use WH interrogation mark or interrogative adverb. and these four changes that is here, it will remain the same. So let's see how it is changed. Take an example is here. So she asked me why I was late that day. Today change into that day. One thing, dear student, I would like to tell you that according to CBSE question, CBSE asks this type of question: Anil, why are you so late today? Sunil, my motorbike is out of order. So CBSE asked till there. Red mark is there. So Anil asked Sunil. You have to write in your CBSE book answer. Why was why he was so late that day? Sunil replied that his motorbike was out of order. So you are seeing that all the blue mark you have to write, and the red mark will be given in the question paper. Okay, I hope, dear student, you understood very well. Thank you very much.